Got our rotation this way, rotation this way, so we know we're not going to screw it up. So I'll put my tire down. Okay then, line up the valve as close as I can to that dot. Right? There we go, just like that. Rotation, rotation. So we're good on rotation, and we're good on dot. Okay, so I'll go ahead and spray all around here with some soap and water, and then step on this, and hopefully the first side will go on. You can start with one side. One side in. Let's try jumping into it again. Booyah! There it is. Okay, got our one side in. Got our valve lined up. So you got our dot, valve, and one side's in. Alright. Okay guys, we installed it finally, and don't forget to put your valve back in. If you have your own air compressor, you can pump it out. I'm going to go to the gasoline stand and put the bead back on, and then we'll come back and do the final installation. But there's the tire, it's on. You can see the dot on the valve, so that's a pretty good setup. Okay, we'll be back when it's all pumped up. Alright guys, so I went to the gas station and set the bead. It's all ready. And I have a static balancer here. As you can see, it's right in the middle. You want a nice even floor. Okay, put the cones. If you don't know how to use this, you just watch a video how to use a static balancer, but it's all set up. So what you want to do is spin your tire, and it's going to stop with the heaviest part at the bottom. So I have a little piece of chalk here, and we'll go ahead and mark the top and add a little weight until we get the nice balance. Some weights here. Here's my original, so I'm going to try to use one of these. So let's see here. Let's move this down. Let's go ahead and... Okay, I'm just going to go ahead just with this one here. Looks like it's good. Alright, it's balanced. Let's go ahead and finish installing the tire. Okay, so I got everything clean. I used some brake cleaner, sprayed all that in. I lubed my shaft. I lubed all my where my spacers are gonna go on both sides. So I think we're ready. Let's go ahead for the install. Okay, let's see what the best setup's gonna be. Okay guys, so I'll just put the brake back on, so then slide it through, and this one goes first, then our washer, and our lug nut. Okay, you're going to need a torque wrench. You want to get the proper torque. I believe it's 98. Okay. 98 Newton meters. So I'll get my torque wrench and set that up. Alright guys, so make sure you put your chain on before you put your pin in, because once the pin's in, there's not enough space to put the chain on. So I actually had to remove it again and do it again. But yeah, so put it on the ground, put your chain on, then put your washers and pin through. Okay, so now it's in. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a 98 Newton meter torque wrench here. Okay. Okay, so it's set to 98 Newton meters. Okay, there it is. Once you hear the click, it's done. Okay. Alright guys, don't forget to pump that brake. I think that's good. We'll go ahead and take her for a test ride. Nice and slow for about 100 kilometers till it gets nice and set before we start ripping. Alright guys, well anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you got any value from this video, and appreciate it. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. Bye.